filming gear, a hydration system, snacks, and extra clothes. What else is in my backpack for filming an 18-kilometer hike? Let's find out in this episode of DP Gear Reviews.
Hey Jack, I'm on holiday this week, but Chloe is doing a detox in Sai Kung. Wondering if you can go and look after her for a day.
Welcome back to DP Gear Reviews. This week DJ is on holiday, so I'm going to hang out with one of the Drone Phone reporters who is doing a digital detox for 5 days in Sai Kung. So the plan is to bring her up to Sharp Peak, which is about 500, less than 500 meters above sea level. It's a day hike. That place got the best view around the whole area. You see all the nice beaches all over the place. So I want to show you quickly what I take in my backpack for this kind of trip. Alright. Well, for Drone Phone, I have my phone with me and also a 360 camera. If you watched my review before, you know this one is the 360 One R. Sunglasses in case it's very sunny. Water, so it's gonna be lots of hiking, so I need to have extra water system. Last week we talked about it, and this week I show you what I take. In fact, I changed my mind just before leaving home. I switched to the Grail Ultralight Purifier bottle, which allows me to refill on the go. Since I know that we're gonna go up to a small hill, the summit is about 470 meters. So I also take this pair of hiking poles. Will help me when I go up. Really light. This is carbon fiber. Same one. I've tried them in a 50k trail running race. They are marvelous. If you guys would like me to review hiking poles on this show, drop a comment below and let me know. Alright. For Drone Phone, of course, my drone, I have a Mavic 2 Pro there, remote control, extra battery, got 2 batteries for them, and a small battery for my phone in case I run out. Push here. I also took a bit of clothing, extra ones. So this is wind blocker. So in case I go up to the top of the mountain, it's really windy or even raining, or forecast shows no. So I have an extra layer with me, ultralight. Put it here. A bandana, in case if I need something warmer or for the sun, I can always put it up. I love them. So it will come with me. And also, well, I got a few pockets. I can put my wallet here. And, oh, here. This is a torch. In case we don't finish by sunset, I'm prepared if I need to walk in the dark. Torch. And of course, food. I wouldn't buy it now, so tomorrow I might get a cup of sandwich and put it in the bag. And that's what I got in my backpack for a day hike. I would like to show yours if you can leave a picture or a link below. So show me what you got. For now, that's it from my side this week. Like and subscribe to our show wherever you see it, especially on our YouTube channel. We're building it. Bye bye.